Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is the Thrifted Look for Less challenge. I am so excited to show you guys what I found. And if you're interested in seeing it, just keep watching. So glad that you decided to stay. Yay! Okay, so today is the Thrifted Look for Less challenge, and our lovely, wonderful, absolutely stunningly gorgeous host is who? None other than Barbara Jean with Age is Just a Number. So if you do not know her, please go check her out. She is the host of this. She's the one that puts this collab together, and this month's wonderful co-host is Kat. Kat is one of my really good friends, and her channel name is Beauty Jacked. If you guys do not know her, both of their channels would be linked down below. Also a playlist showing all the channels that are participating this month. So please go and check out these channels that are down below. If you don't have time to hit all of them today, save it to your watch later list and just watch it at your convenience. But we so humbly ask that you would watch each video and give us a grade from 1 to 10. How well did we do? The looks that we come up with are inspired looks. They're not to be exact. We get a high-end outfit, whatever we can find out there that we want to draw inspiration from, and then we go thrifting. We may be going thrifting in like a Goodwill or a thrift shop, or we may be going online and thrifting on online thrifting shops. It just all depends. Or we may pull a little from that shop and a little from this shop. We don't know. Then we try to come up with a look based off of the look that inspired us, that cost more money, and we try to save as much as we can. So your job in this is to watch the videos and let us know, how well did we do trying to find that inspiration? Grade us between a 1 and a 10, and let us know why. Why did you grade us from a 1 to a 10? 1 meaning, you really missed the mark. And 10 meaning, wow, you have hit the nail on the head kind of look. So that's your job. So we ask that you would go and you would do this for us and let us know how we're doing. We absolutely love finding these deals. It seems like every time I do this, I get more and more excited about what next outfit I'm going to find. And what I have found out is that many of you guys have told us that we have inspired you to go out thrift shopping also. So that is so exciting. I'm so excited to do this every month, and I'm so glad that you guys enjoy it too. Okay, so again, Barbara Jean, Kat will be listed down below. So will the playlist. Please go and show everybody some love, and let's get into what I found. Okay guys, this is what I found, and I wore this to a wedding. I absolutely love this outfit. I'm going to wear it multiple times. Okay, so let's take a look at the pictures of the inspiration versus what I put together, and let's take a look. So tell you a little bit about this outfit. This dress I already owned. It is a dress. This is not a part of it. It sits in my closet. It looks like this, but it comes up and it's just sleeveless here, and then it has these tassels that hang and you can tie them, and it's a V-neck. And so what I did to make this outfit work for me, I wanted to winter it up. So what I did is I found at the thrift store just a V-neck black t-shirt. And what I did is I tied it up right underneath here and tucked it right underneath here to create a bust line. And then I tied it in a knot in my back also, because I really wanted to cinch that in. And then I put on some black tights up underneath it, and then I'm just wearing ankle black booties that are a little bit more pointed just to elongate my legs. And then this here, this cardigan, I love. This chartreuse, this is the color of the season for sure. You see it in every eyeshadow palette. But I found this on Clothes Mentor, the thrift shop online, and you can look them up and they ship to you. You can look through their thrift items, and if you get close, there is that color in this skirt. So I was super excited to find this on Clothes Mentor and then piece this together. So my top here was $1.50. Love that. The Clothes Mentor, this was my most expensive item that I purchased, and this was $12. And then the tights that I have on, I found those at the thrift store where I found the shirt, and they were $4.99. So they were a little bit more expensive, but they have the built-in, it's almost like it has a built-in Spanx type feel in the waist. So that's probably why they were a little bit more expensive. And then the booties were out of my closet. The dress was out of my closet. And then the necklace and the accessories were out of my closet. So those were free. But this cardigan was such a wonderful find. Now, I do also have this purse. And this is what I would wear with this. It's kind of, you know, just kind of fall. And it is not a thrifted item. It's out of my closet. So I just wanted to show you this, and I can show you like the straps. I just took the string and I just wrapped it around to make this smaller, so it wouldn't, you know, because the dress is V-neck and it usually stays right about here, and then it has the little strings that hang down. So I just took those strings and I just wrapped it around and cinched that in and put this on. And it's a much more flattering look for my body type, because this dress is a baby doll dress type, so it hits here and I have a bigger chest, and then it just hangs. And so I bought it because I love the colors in it and everything, but it just never really looked that good on me, and I've never worn it. So this was a way I found that I like this outfit, and I'm super excited because I'm going to wear it like this a lot now. I'm going to wear it through the winter because this is a pretty little outfit for the winter time, and it's warm, and I love the colors and the combination, and I feel good in it. So that is what I wanted to show you, and this was one of my favorite finds of all the Thrifted for Less challenges. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. Make sure that you go over to Barbara Jean's channel and check her out, and you go over and check out Kat. She is the co-host, and also check all the other girls out. And this is a collaboration we do every single third Sunday of the month, and the playlist will be down in the description box below. If you don't have time to watch all the videos, just save it to your watch later list and just play whenever you can. But now it is your turn to participate, and in participating we mean grade us. We would like you to grade us not on mimicking the outfit, but on the inspiration of the outfit. Grade us from a 1 to a 10. You tell me down below in the comment section what you think as far as how this outfit turned out. And let me know if you like my little tips. I was super excited. I put this together and I was like, I wish I knew how to sew. I would sew this all together. So I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I hope that you guys all have a blessed day. Take care. Bye-bye.
I give you my heart.